Well, that is a Times Now ground report getting you the latest from Haifa from Kiryat Shimona there. But let's get you on the part of Israel that continues to bomb when it comes to Central Beirut, as the death toll that has now mounted. Nearly 20 people, according to reports, have been killed, several of them injured in the Israeli strikes. Let's get in a word from Rishabh as well. Rishabh, Pradeep has been reporting from the ground as far as the situation there is concerned. It is getting intensified when it comes to the continuous bombing on part of the IDF.
Well, definitely, Amrita, in Beirut, what we are given to understand, as per the Ministry of Health in Lebanon, 2 residential buildings of Ras al-Leba were attacked by airstrikes of Israeli Air Forces, and now what we are given to understand that 22 people have died, while over 100, and to be precise 117 as per the Health Ministry, have been injured. Remember, as per the Health Ministry of Lebanon, these strikes were done without prior notice, and residential areas were attacked by Israel. Remains to be seen how things unfold, but definitely Israel is intensifying its operations in Lebanon. We have seen ground operations picking up and the air raids continuing in various parts of Beirut.
All right, stay on with us, Rishabh, because as we talk about Haifa, that has now faced significant challenges, prompting the residents to evacuate to safer zones as well. Times Now, which is the team there reporting on the ground and capturing the current mood and the atmosphere. It is important to note, when these pictures that have been coming in, there are counter strikes that are also taking place. Let's in the meantime take a look at this latest ground report filed by Pradeep Datta.
And look at this flag here at Haifa, which has been facing the brunt of rocket attack for the last several days. Right now here, the streets are empty, deserted. But yes, spirit of the people is high. Many a time whenever they hear that alarm, siren, they try to move towards the bomb shelter so that they can save their life from the killer projectiles being fired from across by those Hezbollah terrorists, because already they had suffered heavy losses from the Israeli defense forces that had already made it clear that they are going to, one, destroy their ecosystem, second, they are going to dismantle their infrastructure, third, they are going to wipe out Hezbollah the way they had tried to wipe out Hamas. So right now, here in Haifa town, these flags, these yellow ribbons, reminds us of the barbaric and the brutal chapter that was scripted by the Hamas terrorists last year when they came out to this side. The question everybody here is asking, even 3-month-old baby, 8-month-old baby, they were held hostage. The question is, what has been the fault of 3-month-old baby? What has been the fault of 8-month-old baby? These toddlers were too young even to understand politics between Israel and Palestine. They were too young to understand politics between Israel and Hezbollah. So why they were abducted, why they were taken hostage? And it's also a question for all those people who often try to spin the narrative. They are trying to project Israel as an oppressor. They have to understand it was they who started the fire, and Israel is only trying to defend its country. If you start the fire, you'll have to pay the price. That is what actually the Israeli Defense Forces and the Israeli government is saying.
Well, Rishabh, because it's been